Hey there everyone, today we're going to learn how to set sleep timer on your Sony Bravia Smart TV, and also we're going to learn how to disable or turn off the sleep timer at the same time. So let's get started. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my remote, and here I am on my home page on my Sony Bravia Smart TV. Now you need to find out your settings. For me, I'm going to the top and go all the way to the right side. Once you get this settings icon, you need to press OK, and here you'll get to see all the settings option. Now we're going to go ahead and select system settings, and from the system settings you need to go down a little bit from here and you'll get clock and timers. From here you need to press OK again. And if you go down to the bottom from here, you'll get the sleep timer. It's actually turned off right now. Now to turn on, you need to press OK from your remote. And from here, you'll get a few different options. The minimum time is 15 minutes, and you'll get to see the 30 minutes, 45, 60, 90, and 120. And this is the maximum number. So you just go ahead and select your preferable time. For example, I'm gonna picking 15 minutes for example. So I'm just gonna select 15 minutes and press OK from the remote. And these 15 minutes will be set it up as your sleep timer. And your TV is going to be turned off within 15 minutes. Well, now if you want to turn off the sleep timer, you need to get back to the same settings over here and then press OK, and you'll get the first option off. Make sure it's highlighted and you need to press OK, and your sleep timer will be turned off on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. So guys, this is how you can set a sleep timer on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. That's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.